Hey everybody, meteorologist Pete Mangione here. Well, today will be the better half of the weekend, that's for sure. We'll have some sunshine, temperatures near 70 degrees. Overnight, increasing clouds, and then we're actually looking at tomorrow morning for Mother's Day. Unfortunately, some showers are in the forecast. Now, it's a tricky forecast because it doesn't look like we'll have rain for the entire day. This is 10 o'clock in the morning, likely some showers, especially if you're down towards the south coast, and then the chance of showers continues into the afternoon. But notice what's happening. A lot of our computer information, including the forecast itself, has a hard time making up its mind exactly how long these showers will last. So I wouldn't plan on rain all afternoon, but I certainly plan on at least some showers slipping through tomorrow afternoon. Then we'll likely get into a lull in the precipitation at some point tomorrow evening, and then another round moves in Sunday overnight into Monday and potentially into portions of Tuesday, as we'll have a very unsettled start to the work week. We'll have more updates here on WPRI.com throughout the weekend. Enjoy your Saturday.